it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today we're here with Silk Boss, man. Silk Boss with Clone. That one I dropped about 2-3 days ago. So just get time for get around to it. So I can jump in the one and see what I go on, man. Let's go, man. Produced by Logix. Video shot by Logix. Hear me now, Logix. Logix, make up yourself, G. Jump in the one. Let's go, man. Silk Boss, Clone. Let's go.
Why the fuck you take so long for answer?
You have reached the voicemail box of 18763.
Alright, pussy. Man, who have to find you?
Chucky
That's a
Bumbo
party,
Clock,
man.
moms. She a chuck him, you know.
Wanna see for that big pussy girl later on?
She a chuck him, you know. Y'all obsessed for your body, you know. Y'all obsessed for your body.
She call me and me no answer. Me call back and get a fat block. Yellow is a mad girl. She text back in her anger. Say me have one bag of big pussy girl in a me contact.
A Silk Boss this, you know. A Silk Boss this. One thing with Silk Boss, him always a woman problem. Yes, Silk Boss have girl problem. Whole heap. Yeah, look at myself, Silk. Blood clot. Man says she call me and me no answer. Me call her back and I get one fat block. Me got the moms them in every day, man. They look good.
Why the fuck you take so long for answer?
You have reached the voicemail box of
You know, answer me, G. Alright, what one?
18763.
Alright, pussy. Man, who have to find you?
She know how to find a pussy
That's a
hole.
party, man.
She know how to find a pussy hole.
Wanna
Alright.
see for that big pussy girl later on?
Location. Talk to them, Silk Boss. What one now?
She call me and me no answer.
Yeah.
Me call back and get a fat block. Yellow is a mad girl. She text back in her anger. Say me have one bag of big pussy girl in a me contact.
You know them girl that will block you out of frustration? Man, them. You know them girl that will block you out of frustration and then unblock you because them not done so them a say it? Other type of girl that the G a deal with. Yes. She not done so she unblock you, give one long paragraph or one long radio voice note and then she just block you again and then unblock you later on just for watch your status. So them girl say,
Text back in her anger. Say me have one bag of big pussy girl in a me contact. But me shock on me WhatsApp, clear on me Snapchat, and Instagram me no have that. So me tell her if it's stop cap. She call me, I don't think I had a reply with her.
Mama emotions take over. Mama all a burn. Listen, Mama start a fire hazard right there, so. Mama you start a fire hazard right
So
there.
me tell her if it's stop cap.
Hold on, Mama, hold on.
She call me.
You're there on the bed. With the lighter, a lighter paper in a one bin on the bed. If the bin there ever tip over, the bed light. The bed light, the room light, curtain light, everything light. You are going to dead night. Smoke, inhalation. Big word. So, inhalation. Fire hazard, Mama.
And Instagram me no have that. So me tell her if it's stop cap. She call me, I don't think I had a reply with her answer. I said if one clone and me don't know her. But I got better with her, so I do her. Every call me get, she get that. And every message me say no, this and back.
Yo, every blood clot calling G get, she get it. Every message where him send, she get it. Every message where come in, hey, them girl how we kill her.
Every call me get, she get that. And every message me say no, this and back. Cause she has everyone growing and me don't know her. Father God be there with her, so every call me get, she get that. And me swear Step on a block, easy back. With a bitch in a me lap.
But she look good, yeah. She look good. She look good, but she mad. You know, pretty mad girl like she that.
Tell me trick her when I get trapped. Step on a block, easy back. With a bitch in a me lap. I'ma get a sort of feeling like me and get watch. When me look at she pull up on me and
You know when you get that feeling like say somebody I watch you, and that the man I explain. So him there on a block with a bitch in him lap, and him get a sudden feeling say him a get watch. At that feeling there. You know more time you just easy back and you turn around and look and you see somebody, you hear somebody I make for that feeling that the G get.
in a me lap. I'ma get a sort of feeling like me and get watch. When me look at she pull up on me heart it in a shot. If me coulda disappear, me try do it and on a cap.
If him could have disappear, invisible. Whoosh, vamoosh, gone. He made a gone. Hard come my mouth and go back down. Can't believe the mama pop up. Yeah, she pop up. She pop up. Ready, she ready.
Come in a forehead.
Fi kill a girl.
Me look at she pull up on me heart it in a shot. If me coulda disappear, me try do it and on a cap. Baby girl that did there, she say long enough for chat. We are over in ways them and decide them we a got. But me nah go say nothing 'cause me leaving it to God. I ain't nah go see me back.
Hold on. More hear the part again. More hear for she. Hold on.
Yes, I'm a trick when I get trapped. Step on a block, easy back. With a bitch in a me lap. I'ma get a sort of feeling like me and get watch. When me look at she pull up on me heart it in a shot. If me coulda disappear, me try do it and on a cap. Baby girl that did there, she say long enough for chat. We are over in ways them and decide them we a got. But me nah go say nothing 'cause me leaving it to God. I ain't nah go see me back.
It wasn't cause him a leave her to God. But you wrong, bro. She tracked you, yes, she wrong, but you wrong too, bro. Cause you did it with bitch in the lap with you, bro. So you have to just take what you get. You see me? I just tell them get as
them we a got. But me nah go say nothing 'cause me leaving it to God. I ain't nah go see me back. She call me and me no answer. Me call back and get a fat black. Yellow is
Yo, me affiliate moms. Even though she's psycho, me affiliate her we pull up. You know why? She never have an issue with the girl where they there. 9 out of 10 times, when a man a get a woman born, the woman a have a problem with the next woman. It shouldn't be like that. It should be the woman have a problem with her man, because the man owe your obligation, mama. The next girl don't.
she call me and me no answer. Me call back and get a fat black. Yellow is a mad girl. She text back in her anger. Say me have one bag of big pussy girl in a me contact. But me shock on me WhatsApp, clear on me Snapchat, and Instagram me no have that. So me tell her if it stop cap. She call me and don't tell her that reply with her answer. She said she love me but she not go stay, 'cause if she do the liquor out she have a break again. Say she trust me and me never care. And the connection a fade away. Girl, me know me fuck up, but me beg her stay. Me say the tears in her eyes, they could have full of layer.
Yeah.
Love burn out fast like Raven here. Then she say if she was a man, she fuck her every day. She call me and me no answer. Raven here. Me
Hold on, no one. The two girl I'm go.
say the tears in her eyes, they could have full of layer. Love burn out fast like Raven here. Then she say if she was a man, she fuck her every day. She call me and me no answer. Me call back and get a fat blood. Yellow is a mad girl. She text back in her anger. Say me have one bag of big pussy girl in a me contact. But me shock on me WhatsApp, clear on me Snapchat, and Instagram me no have that. So me tell her if it stop cap. She call me, I don't feel like I reply with the answer. Said if one clone them, me don't know how. But I got me down with a so if you call let me get that.
Bumbo
Clad. Me said oh, she send back her phone.
Well, I'm saying me can clone into blood clot phone, you see. Open them in my face, alright. Clone them blood. You can't see? Hold on, you can't see though. You can't. Let me see if I can clone them blood clot. Clone the pussy? Alright, clone that one. Clone the brother? Can I idiot phone them ya? Them no want clone.
Get that. If you message me, said oh, she send back her phone clone.
Can't believe. Yeah. Yeah, you can't believe. No. Hear me no logics. The reaction are done until me hear. Hear me no logics. Comments for part 2. Alright.
Hear me no logics.
Hear me no logics. Infamous. Big up yourself, logics. Silk Boss always a forward with the bang of them, bro. With the storytelling them, bro. I like this. Look like plot twist in the second part, you know. Look like them have a second part line up, you know. So look like the plot got twist, you know. So if you don't want the plot twist, if you don't want the second part, if you see how it play out, you don't need to drop a comment in the comment section and make them know so you don't want it. You see me? Me like it. The video clean as well. Logic big up yourself, G. Fucking hell, dog. Fucking hell. Logic done a good work here. Good production, bro. And good video. Good storyline behind the video as well. Big up yourself, G. Silk! Your phone get cloned, bro. Right, let me there. Try clone my own again. Nah. Clone pussy. Nah, clone a blood clot. Well, I get this is untrackable. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about this one, though. Still, big up yourself. Logic, big up yourself. The ladies in the video, big up on yourself. When I catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, Rust gave a review your face, the dog. If face to your